Hey Gen X, are you like me? Are you realizing that nobody really prepared us for what middle age was going to feel like? They said you're going to get older, but they didn't explain the exhaustion, the identity crisis. Nobody explained what it's like to wake up one day and your body just hurts for no reason. Your stress level, which you may or may not be aware of, and parents are getting older. Kids are probably gone. Sometimes your life just felt like it was a roller coaster going so fast. You just learn how to survive through that. Work hard, be responsible, and provide. Handle your shit. No complaining, and keep moving. But nobody taught us how to emotionally process getting older. I think a lot of Gen X people are struggling with that privately. I hear it a lot in my inbox. Middle life is weird. You still feel young sometimes, but then you look in the mirror. You're tired, gray, energy's gone. Your priorities have changed. Time suddenly feels very real. That hits pretty hard, especially for people who distracted themselves for years on stress and survival. A lot of us pushed ourselves for years, having too much stress, too much drinking, bad sleep, working nonstop, ignoring your health, pretending you're fine. And now, in our 40s and 50s, man, you got to pay those bills. High blood pressure, weight gain, diabetes, burnout. It was inevitable. Depressed, anxiety, loneliness. And honestly, I think a lot of Gen X men and women quietly wonder exactly the same thing. How did life go by this fast? I know I've asked myself that. I'm 57, for gosh sakes. I'm rebuilding my health and my entire life, one day at a time. Because eventually I realized this. If I didn't change, nothing was gonna get better like magic. And that simple realization, super scary. Midlife forces people to confront the realities of where you are. You start realizing you don't have unlimited time left. Your body has limits. Stress actually damages you. And aging comes on a lot faster than you expected. Here's the hopeful part. You can rebuild. Today, you can become healthier. You can create peace. You can still lose weight. Walk. Reconnect with yourself. Simple routine changes. Build a better life, no matter how old you are. Honestly, I think a lot of us Gen Xers are finally realizing they don't want to spend the second half or the last quarter of their life unhappy, miserable. That's what this whole journey for me and social media and changing my life is all about. Not pretending, not dyeing my beard. Can you even imagine becoming healthier, calmer, more disciplined, and more alive while you still can? So one of the things that I realized through this entire journey, that it is possible, but you got to do it a little at a time, a little every day. I appreciate you guys watching these videos. I appreciate you reaching out, commenting, watching, and the inboxes. makes this all worth it. Thanks, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.